So I have something super exciting to share with you guys. It's also very interesting. It's also new actually, and it's super exciting. Did I already say that? Okay, I think I'm nervous.
Well, it does seem like all roads are leading to an OTT platform for the Alia Bhatt starrer film Sadak 2. Recently in an interview, Mahesh Bhatt revealed that with all theatres closed and shoots not resuming and things being in a very weird situation and the time and tide that we're living in, he feels like the best possible option for the release of this film is on an OTT platform, and went on to further say कि इस तरह at least audiences इस film को देख पाएंगे. Here's the story.
While the rumors have been circulating for a while now, we now have confirmed information that Alia Bhatt's film Sadak 2 will release directly on an OTT platform. Director Mahesh Bhatt, who is returning to direction with this sequel to the 1991 film Sadak, which starred Mahesh Bhatt's other daughter Pooja Bhatt and Sanjay Dutt. Speaking to a news publication, director Mahesh Bhatt revealed that in order to minimize any further losses, he has taken a decision to release the film on an OTT platform. Mahesh Bhatt said, "The number of COVID cases is increasing day by day instead of subsiding. In this situation, do you think theatres will open? And even if they do, and Sadak is released, will people actually go and watch it? People have to protect their families. Today, life is more important. I'm compelled to come on a digital platform because I don't see any light in the near future. This is the best I can do to survive. There are certain things that you do, not out of choice but out of compulsion. This is the only option left. It's a non-brainer." पैंडेमिक और एक्सटेंडेड लॉकडाउन का मीडिया और एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस पर वाकई बहुत बुरा असर पड़ा है. फिल्मों के शूट्स और थिएट्रिकल रिलीजेस दोनों ही डिले हुए हैं और कई प्रोड्यूसर्स को करोड़ों का नुकसान सहना पड़ा है. While the nation was in unlocked mode, there are some cities in India which have gone back into lockdown mode. Due to a spike in cases, many cities are considering going back into lockdown. With the number of cases still spiking around the country, it's unlikely that theatres will open anytime soon in spite of shoots getting permission to resume. However, according to Mahesh ji, films releasing on OTT platforms is not a long-term change, but only a temporary phase till it gets safe to open theatres again. बड़े पर्दे पर फिल्मों को देखने के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात करते हुए महेश जी ने कहा, "Now that films are releasing on OTT, it doesn't mean theatres will shut down. People need outing. Big screen entertainment is fun. It is a temporary phase. We need to understand it rationally. We have not made this film to put it in lock and key. We want to bring it to people so that they enjoy the film." Sadak 2 still has 2 days of shoot left to be completed, which should be done in July, and the post-production on the film is also going on in full swing to get the film ready for a release. आलिया के साथ सड़क 2 में आदित्य रॉय कपूर, संजय दत्त एंड पूजा भट्ट भी दिखेंगे. And after facing many roadblocks, we hope कि अब इस फिल्म के रिलीज तक का सफर स्मूथ रहेगा.